This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear light cluster bulbs renewal. First, you will need to remove the light unit. Open the tailgate, undo the retaining screws, and pull the light unit rearwards to release it. Unclip the bulb holder, depress the relevant bulb, twist it anti-clockwise, and remove it. Insert the new bulb into the holder, then twist it clockwise to secure it. Indicator and stop tail light bulbs usually have offset bayonet pins and will only fit correctly in one position. Clip the bulb holder assembly back into place, then refit the light unit and tighten the retaining screws securely. Align the pegs on the light unit with the holes in the wing as the unit is refitted. Close the tailgate and check the operation of the lights.